As we weave through the fabric of our modern lives, let's pause to acknowledge the preservation of historical sites. These landmarks are not mere relics. They are vital narratives that define our collective identity and heritage. The preservation of historical sites serves as an educational resource. Each structure is a tangible classroom, imparting lessons about our ancestors' ingenuity, culture, and values. Studies show that students who engage with history in a tangible way develop a deeper understanding and appreciation for the past. Additionally, these sites contribute significantly to local economies through tourism. Preserving them not only honors our history but also promotes sustainable economic growth. According to UNESCO, cultural heritage sites attract millions of visitors each year, supporting local businesses and jobs. In safeguarding these treasures, we maintain a connection to our past, enrich our present, and invest in our future. Let's champion the cause of conservation, ensuring that history's echoes remain loud for generations to come. Let's unfold the realm of literature and its profound impact on society. Literature is not just an escape. It's a mirror that reflects our realities, a lens that sharpens our worldview. Literature fosters empathy. When we dive into the narratives of characters from diverse backgrounds, we live a multitude of lives. This vicarious experience enriches our understanding of others, bridging gaps across cultures and experiences. Furthermore, literature is a catalyst for social change. It has the power to challenge norms, to question policies, and to push boundaries. The works of authors like Harriet Beecher Stowe and George Orwell have spurred movements and reformed societies. As we engage with literature, let us recognize its role in shaping the contours of society. In the pages of books, we find the seeds of the future, sown with words that can move nations. Sustainable tourism is a concept vital to preserving the world's cultural and natural heritage. This responsible travel philosophy is about making a positive impact on the environments we visit and the communities we encounter. Firstly, sustainable tourism is about respecting and contributing to local cultures. It involves engaging with tradition, supporting artisan markets, and preserving historical sites. By doing so, we become not just tourists, but advocates for cultural preservation. Secondly, it emphasizes environmental conservation. By choosing eco-friendly accommodations and activities, we minimize our carbon footprint. Practices like leaving no trace and reducing plastic use help protect natural landscapes and wildlife. As we venture out to explore the world, let's commit to sustainable tourism practices. Our conscious choices ensure that the beauty and diversity of our global destinations remain for future travelers to appreciate. Today, we celebrate the life of Marie Curie, a woman whose brilliance in the realm of science illuminates the path for researchers and dreamers alike. She was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize and the only person to win in 2 different scientific fields. Curie's relentless pursuit of knowledge led to the discovery of 2 elements, polonium and radium. Her work not only expanded the boundaries of our understanding of radioactivity but also laid the groundwork for developing treatments for cancer. Despite facing societal barriers, her dedication to science never wavered. Marie Curie's legacy teaches us the power of perseverance and the impact of unwavering dedication to one's passion. Her story is a testament to the fact that relentless curiosity and resilience can break through the barriers of gender and social conventions. I want to focus on the intersection of ecology and economy, sustainable living, and environmental conservation economics. As global environmental issues economic like climate change and environmental integrity are not mutually individual actions have never been more important. They can flourish together. One key area green economics calls for investment in renewable energy, which not only helps in mitigating reducing waste, but also conserving technological innovation to a healthier planet in new sectors. For example,
additionally,
choosing to bike
green
or
economics
walk instead of driving
the value
reduces
of
carbon
natural
emissions,
capital,
and opting
by
for
accounting
reusable
for the
items
economic
over
contributions of
plastics
healthy
helps decrease
ecosystems,
pollution,
such as clean air and
Moreover,
water.
we
Awareness
pave the way
and
for
education
policies
play a
that promote
significant
conservation
role.
as a cornerstone for
Understanding
sustainable
the impact
development
of our actions on the environment
Let's
motivates
reimagine
us to
our
make
economy
more
as a
sustainable
garden
choices.
where what we sow today dictates the
This
vitality
knowledge
of
can
our
also
tomorrow.
be spread within our communities.
By integrating
the
the principles
collective
of
effort
green
towards
economics
environmental
into our
conservation,
pursuits, we can cultivate a
every
world
small
that thrives
action
economically
counts in the
and is
fight
verdant
against
in its
environmental
natural degradation.
By adopting
As we
sustainable
stand at the
practices
intersection
in
of
our daily
ecology
lives,
and economy,
we can make a
we unveil the
significant
concept
impact on
of
preserving
green
our planet
economics
for future generations.
This is the idea